Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dual water valve wire harness in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the water filter cover and remove the water filter. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the upper cover panel. Detach the panel and disconnect the LED light wire harness to fully remove the panel. Use the small flathead screwdriver to pry the waterline retaining bracket free. Pull the dual water valve down to detach. Disconnect the 2 wire connectors and detach the grounding clip. Release the wires from the retaining hooks and pull the end of the wires through the hole in the upper housing. Next, detach the 2 wires from the water filter switch. Then release the wires from the retainers. Disconnect the ice maker and heater wire connectors. Now disconnect the main wire connector to fully remove the old harness. To install the new dual water valve wire harness, first connect the main wire connector. Connect the ice maker and heater wire connectors. Then secure the wires in the retainers. Attach the 2 wire connectors to the water filter switch. Feed the dual water valve connectors through the hole in the upper housing and secure the wires behind the retaining hooks. Connect the wires to the valve terminals and attach the grounding clip. Fully reseat the valve. Reposition the waterline retaining bracket. Reinstall the upper cover panel by first reconnecting the LED light wire harness. Align the 3 rear upper cover panel tabs with the housing brackets and snap the panel into position. Rethread the 2 screws to secure. Reinsert the water filter into the housing and close the cover. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.